Hello, dear aspirants. This is Dr. Sourav sir's class. We are solving the National Boards of Higher Mathematics Linear Algebra previous year questions. So this question is appeared in the PhD entrance test of the year of 2019. So the question says that let our V be this. X, Y, Z, T belongs to R4 and the conditions applied on our x, y, z, t is our x plus y minus z is equals to 0 and our x plus y plus t is equals to 0. Then we have to write down a basis for our V orth. That means the V orthogonal. Okay. So we have what? We have So firstly, we have to write that our x plus y minus z is equals to 0 and this thing. Okay. So our z is what? Our z is yeah. And my t is, yeah. So our v is what? So our v is equals to my x, y, and there is this and yeah. No, that is not, that cannot be completed here, and our x y are reals. Okay, so our v is this, so we have to find the basis of it. So if we take the common x out, then we will get our basis of it. That is my, I want to write the basis of v, which will be my 1, 0, 1 and minus 1. No, yeah, and for y we will get 0, 1. No, that will again be 1 and minus 1. From where do we get that? We can, if we can rewrite this by what? X common 1, 0 and there will be 1 and minus 1 plus our y will be what? Y will be my this. 0 and the coefficient of y is this and our x and y are the reals. We can rewrite that in this manner. So our basis of v is my this. So now we have to find the orthogonal vector. Any, so let us take, yeah. So let us take A, B, C, D belongs to our V orth. Then we must have our A, B, C, D and we are taking the inner product, so that will be 0. So that will give us what? A plus C minus D is my 0. And for the second case, we will get and we have 0, 1, 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So this is my B plus C minus D is equals to 0. So my D is what? So my D is A plus C and if we take the other things out, then we will get our A equals to B. I think this is enough. I think this is enough to make a basis. So this means our vector space V auth, I wanna write it with my white color. Yeah. So our V auth will look like our A will be A and our B is A, and after that our C is this and our D is this. Sorry. Okay, so our A and C are my real numbers. So we can rewrite it in this manner. Plus this is my 0, 0, 1 and 1. So our A and C are belongs to R. That means they are the reals. So our basis of V is what? I'm gonna write it with my blue color. So our basis of V auth is my 1101 and 001 and 1. Okay, hope you understood and you are preparing very hard for your examinations. So thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.